welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a beautiful fall makeup look, this one that I have on right now. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty, first things first, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. This has an SPF of 30 and this is a Blur and Defend primer. Alrighty, we're just gonna go in and put it all over. Just gonna blend it out, and I always use my ring finger under my eye because your ring finger has the less weight and you don't want to drag under your eyes. I don't always use a primer, but I was like, you know, today I'm kind of in a mood. I always change my makeup routine and there's nothing wrong with that, so I was like, let's just go for a little bit of primer. So if you didn't notice, I did cut my hair, and with it being curled it's even shorter, and for fall I put like a chestnut color in my hair. I love it. I do need a touch-up though because it just rinses out because of all the times I wash my hair, but I do love the color and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Next, I'm going to be going in with foundation. This is my LA Girl Pro Matte. I honestly don't know if this might be too dark for me because I do consider it my summer shade, but I am going to try it out to see if it works still. It's kind of clogged because I haven't used this one in a while. So I'm just going to squeeze it onto the back of my hand so I don't get my sweater messed up. Are you guys excited for fall? Because I definitely am. Fall is my favorite season. Oh, honestly, I don't think it's that bad. And my mirror's over here as usual, so I am looking over here just to see my shade. I think it looks really well, so we're just going to keep this one. But yeah, like, are you excited for fall and Halloween and all the like cozy spooky stuff? I'm not a like spooky person, but I love like Haunted Mansion and like Disney Halloween movies. Those are my favorite, like Halloween Town and stuff. Cannot go wrong with those. But as crazy as it seems, I've been seeing people post that Lowe's has Christmas decor out. I was like, really? It's like we didn't even get past Halloween or Thanksgiving and they have Christmas out. But I was like, okay, I love Christmas too, but I feel like lately it's been so fast forward with holidays and it's just like rolling, and I'm like, I just want to savor them, you know? We're gonna go ahead and conceal. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Tan. Their concealers are really like full coverage and they're really inexpensive. And I'm just gonna drag whatever product is left onto my eyelids. I'm now going to be setting everything with my holy grail, Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I love this finishing powder. I think it's like $7 probably by now, but like it keeps my makeup lasting all day. And I'm not the only one. I've seen other people consider this a holy grail makeup product, so I'm definitely loving that. It is a drugstore makeup product that is very inexpensive, that you could pick up like almost anywhere, like a CVS, a Walmart, a Target, and it works so well. So now I'm going to be going in with contour, and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and this is in the shade Light to Medium. I always like to do either, they say fish face, but that doesn't really work. I just kind of suck in my cheeks like this, where you could see your cheekbone outline, and that's how I go for it. You can see the difference already. And if you watch my videos all the time or you're always on my channel, you know that I love a heavy contours. Another easy way to contour too is if you smile like this and you just cup your cheeks just like that. So easy, it's really simple. And then you could just try it out from there and see how you like it. And then I go under my jawline and my chin, and I just dust the sides of my nose, and my temples. Next, I'm going to be going in with this Ulta Beauty Hold My Fin. This is the Pixar collection, and this is Finding Nemo's blush. Doesn't have a shade name. I guess it's called Hold My Fin. But I love this blush duo. Like, these shades go so well with my skin tone. I love it. Just putting it on the apples of my cheeks and dragging it up. And if I didn't mention it already, fall looks are my favorite. I'm going to try to put out as many as I can on YouTube. But what is your favorite season for makeup? I know some people love summer because of the pastels and everything like that, or winter because of the baby blues and everything like that. But I personally love fall for like the dramatic like burgundies and golds and deep browns. Love it. I am using the Makeup Revolution Soph collaboration highlight palette for this. This is what it looks like. It is time for eyes, the most exciting part we are waiting for. I'm gonna start off my eyes by just sculpting my eyebrows so I have an even palette on both sides. And I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Soft Black. This is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I love this one, and this is also inexpensive. I believe I paid around like $6 for it, which isn't bad. Let's get up close so you can see. And then I just like to comb everything and blend everything with a spoolie. For today's look, I will be using the Hit the Lights palette by Morphe. I don't know if they sell this one anymore, but I absolutely love it. Let me show you the inside. It almost reminds me of the James Charles palette, but it has tons of shimmers and deep colors, burgundies, browns, everything like that. So that is what I'm going to be using today. This is just like a light tan. It's not really anything much, but I just got a little blender shade going in there because I know I'm going to be using tons of eyeshadow shades. Just taking a darker brown into the outer V area and blending it in. And I'm using a really light hand to do this. So you see these lines are seamless. Using a light hand helps in circular motions. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that burnt orange shade to the top to blend everything out. And a little bit more of the dark brown because I'm going for a dramatic fall look today. So adding a darker color such as a dark brown or a black into your outer V will help you achieve that dramatic effect. For my lids, I'll be going in with this beautiful gold shimmer and then maybe adding some of this gold glitter on top. I love this palette. It's so beautiful and the pigmentation is just like through the roof. And I'm not taking it all the way into the outer V, but I'm just blending everything together. To spice up this look a little more, I will be adding that gold glitter, and I'm just going to be tapping it on. Not wanting to drag the product. Before I continue, I am going to set my eyebrows with my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and this is in the shade Black, because this eyebrow hair is just very unruly and just keeps not wanting to stay in place. So we're gonna just put some brow mascara to keep them in place. I'm just gonna take a light colored powder and just put it over in my brow bone before I add some highlight, just to keep things extra bright. And it also helps sculpt your eyebrows if you don't want to use concealer on top of your eyeshadow. I love a good brow bone highlight. Just makes everything pop. And then to deepen the look, I'm going to take some black very lightly and just keep it right in the outer V and just tap it, and then start slowly doing some circular motions and blending it in. Take that same dark brown for my outer V and drag it along my bottom lash line. And for extra drama, I'm just gonna lightly smoke out some black. Just because of my hand placement, I know it's a little hard for you to see me do this, but I'm trying my best so you guys could see. I always top line and then I go and drag out my wing. For beginners or anyone that doesn't have a steady hand or has trouble doing winged eyeliner, I know the pens are the best option. I'm just so used to drawing on my eyeliner that I only use liquid eyeliner. I love the pens for when I'm in a quick fix and just do a top line, but when I'm doing winged eyeliner, I love to use liquid eyeliner so I could freehand my wings. And today I will be using lashes, and I'm going to be going in with my Kiss lashes in the style Femme. I have gotten a lot of requests to do a tutorial just on how to apply fake lashes, but I do try to explain that in each video. But for those of you who would like to see that video, you can leave some comments down below if you guys would like just a tutorial on how to put on fake eyelashes. So I just have a tweezers always on hand, and then some lash glue. I just like to get the entire lash band, and I like to put a good amount of glue just because you could never be too sure if it's a windy day or you're going to be somewhere and it'll be hot and sweaty inside or anything like that. Any moisture will make your lashes come off, so always just make sure you put a really decent amount of glue. And I always make sure to get the top side and then the lash band inside right here, right in there as well, and then I always like to get on top. And then something that's not everyone's favorite is I like to fan my lashes for 60 seconds to make sure that my lash glue gets really tacky, so I ensure that it stays on all day. Alright, I zoomed up as close as I could just so you guys could see how I do this. So I just take my hands and I kind of just place it a little bit, and then I take a tweezers and get it as close to the lash line as possible, but not touching my lashes, so when I go to take them off, I don't rip my actual eyelashes off. And I just like to pinch and just push them along, because sometimes lash glue can get stuck to your tweezers and just pull your lash band off altogether. So I just like to push just to make sure everything is secure. I always like to go in with mascara, and I like to go under just to blend my regular lashes with my false ones, just so you don't see them hanging over. And then I always like getting my mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to go ahead and take out my clips. My hair should be set. We'll mess with that in a few. But to finish off this look, I am going to be doing my lips, and I will be using my MAC Patent Paint Lip Lacquer. And this is in the shade Polished Prize. Beautiful burgundy, like lip gloss, lipstick type of thing. I love it. So first I'm going to be lining my lips with my Red Velvet Milani lip liner. I had found this MAC lipstick at Marshall's and it was gorgeous. Like, look at that. Alrighty guys, so that was it for the finished makeup look. I hope you guys had fun watching me create this lovely dramatic look. If you guys would like to see more makeup looks like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure to leave some comments on what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.